Hello, this is Ricardo, owner of Elite HVAC, and today we're here in Eagle Ranch, Colorado, and we're gonna walk through one of my projects, so follow me. Our client got in touch with us because he needed a cooling system for his home.
So I built this house about 4.5 years ago, and when we built it, we did inflow radiant heat. We opted not to do any sort of AC system, and after living it for a few years, it gets pretty hot, and one of the best economical, efficient systems seem to be the mini split systems.
In this particular home, we did this project in 3 different sections. Section number 1 being a cooling and heating zone for the living room and the master. For this home, we had to go with 3 separate condensers because the entire home needed AC system. And we figured out that dividing the cooling needs of the home into 3 different systems was the best solution for it. So one of the concerns of our client was to make sure that his home stayed beautiful. It is a beautiful home. So we decided to go with line height. It's a concealment system for our copper lines. And once you paint it, it blends right in. This is taking refrigerant into the indoor unit to help keep the places cool. So follow me. In this particular case, it's a beautiful space in here. It's really nice. They put a lot of work into it, into being beautiful. So for this indoor unit, we decided to go with a designer series from Mitsubishi. It looks better, more streamlined, and it fits better into the place. So here we have the master indoor unit. As you can see, we have it as high as possible, and that's because it helps to keep the unit out of sight and helps it blend in more. If your home has the available space, like here, like this attic space, we can go ahead and put a mini ducted unit and just do regular venting into the rooms that you need the heating or cooling. That way you don't have to see the actual indoor unit in the wall.
I was never frustrated throughout this process. It wasn't fun spending that much money, but at the same time, it increases the value of the house, it increases the ability for resale value, and it just felt like an investment, and it'll help us live more comfortably.
If you're looking to keep your family cool and comfortable this summer, reach out to us, go to our website, and fill out the form, and we'll reach out to you.